Hello everyone, this is my review of the JPG Chi-Qui windshield cleaning tool. The handle extends nicely and feels sturdy, and the pivoting head moves smoothly. It doesn't feel cheap or flimsy at all. What I love most is the reach and ease of use. The long handle allows me to access those harder to reach spots, such as the top interior of my car's windshield or the back glass, without stretching or awkward angles. The swivel head makes it simpler and more comfortable to use. Another win. The reusable microfiber pads. I like that they're gentle on glass, no scratching or streaking, and you can wash and reuse them, which is a big plus. It really makes the whole cleaning job feel faster and less hassle. Overall though, I'm pleased with this purchase. It works exactly as I need it to, making cleaning easier, and I no longer dread having to clean the car windows. If you're looking for a reliable and easy to-use tool for your car's glass surfaces, I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.